Hey guys, we're on our epic trip from New Mexico to Indiana, and as we left New Mexico this morning, we wondered if we were vandalized or not. And let me show you what happened here. It looks broken. So I'm not sure if someone snatched it off. You can also see there's a piece of metal right there that's bent up. See it right there? So I don't know what happened. But I went to use my wiper this morning and I had no wiper. So it's completely gone, broken off. I can't even tell you when the last time that I used it, so I don't know. But I'm not sure if we were vandalized in the park, maybe at a Walmart parking lot, or it just broke off. I don't know. So I'm over here to, where are we? We're in Amarillo, Texas now, just filling up. Yeah, you've seen that before. Just grabbing some diesel, filling up. We're only here for one night. We're going to be in Oklahoma tomorrow. I'm going to do some nice videos for you there. So were we vandalized? Did our wiper just break off and fly off somewhere? You'd think I would have seen it, right? Not sure what happened, but that's what's going on. Anyway, tomorrow morning we're going to head out pretty early and head for Oklahoma. All right, everybody, we just finished up here at the AutoZone, one of my favorite stores. Had some help from the folks inside. Bought these crazy expensive Rain X. They were $36 a piece. I got $72 in windshield wipers. But I really wanted the best that I could get because where we're heading, we're going to probably hit some snow and rain and ice and stuff. And I want to be very well prepared. So anyway, that's what it is. I'll run them for you real quick. There you go. Man, they are smooth. This is, well, we threw the package away, but it was Rain X XL or something like that. 36 bucks a piece. And that's it. You know, like I said, we're going up into some very wet weather to get to Indiana, so you can't drive if you can't see. You got to be safe on the road. And that's it. We're heading on back to our Oasis RV park. Make sure you check my playlist for RV parks and reviews because I've been there once before and I've already put a video out about it. By the time you see this, you'll see that one. And see you soon.